the Lumberjack BS228 9-inch benchtop bandsaw, a 300-watt 240-volt motor, a throat depth of 228 mm, fitted with a 1575 mm blade, a max cut of 90 at 90 degrees and 45 mm at 45, a sturdy metal frame and metal doors, a safety switch when the door is open to stop the bandsaw turning on, a adjustable wheel for easy alignment, a quick release lever for blade tensioning, upper and lower blade guide ball bearings, a flexible LED work light, aluminium quick clamp grip fence, a handy chip and dust collection drawer, carry handle on top to help with transportation. In the box you will find grip fence and mitre guide, a 6mm 10 TPI blade, push stick, LED work light.